Hey everyone, are you ready to join the world's most trusted crypto exchange, Binance? In this video, I'll walk you through how to create, verify, deposit, withdraw, and secure your Binance account step by step. With the latest 2026 updates, warning, there are many fake websites out there. So to stay safe, click the official Binance and Bybit link in the description below to register securely and avoid scams. Let's get started. Click the official Binance link in the description and you'll land on the registration page. Now click Sign Up. You can register using your email address, mobile number, or by clicking Continue with Google. If you choose Google, just select the Google account you want to use. Once your account is created, it's time to verify it. Click Verify Now from the homepage or profile section. Now select your country of residence and the document issuing country. Choose your ID type. It can be a passport, ID card, or driver's license. Click Continue, then upload clear photos of the document as requested. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete face verification if prompted. Once done, your account will be verified and ready to go. Back on the home screen, let's talk about how to deposit and withdraw funds. Click Deposit at the top. You'll see two main options. Direct crypto deposit, just choose your coin, copy your deposit address, and send from your wallet. P2P trading. Buy crypto using local payment methods like bank transfer, mobile wallet, etc. Go to P2P, select your preferred crypto, choose a seller, enter the amount, and click Buy. Transfer the money to the seller's payment method and click Paid. Once the seller confirms, you'll receive your crypto instantly. Withdraw process. For P2P sell, go to P2P, sell, choose a buyer, enter the amount, and release the crypto once payment is received. Now let's secure your Binance account. Click your profile icon, then go to Account Arrow Security. Here you can enable two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator or SMS. Set up an anti-phishing code to identify real Binance emails. Link a withdrawal whitelist to protect your funds. These settings help protect your account from unauthorized access. Very important. That's it. Your Binance account is now created, verified, secured, and funded. You're ready to start trading, buying, selling, and earning with the world's leading crypto exchange. Click the official Binance and Bybit link in the description to sign up and start your journey safely. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tutorials and updates. And if you have any questions about Binance or crypto in general, feel free to leave a comment. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and happy trading. Blast off.